Hello everyone. In last videos we started the chapter food production, and in the last video we discussed about how to storage the grains. Today's topic is food from animals. Milk, meat, egg are the food products we get from animals. Animal products are rich in vitamins and proteins, pulses, whole wheat, corn and so on. They also give us protein. Protein derived from animals are considered to be better than those from plant sources. Animal proteins are more completely digested by us. They contain some essential amino acids. Proteins are made from amino acids that plant protein lack. However, one problem with animal products, many of them certain fats that are not good for the health. Now we will discuss one by one the food we get from animals. First is milk. Cows are our chief source of milk. Those buffaloes, goat, sheep, yak and camel also give us milk. Milk contains many ingredients of a balanced diet and is often called an ideal food. It contains almost all the vitamins we need and essential minerals like calcium and phosphorus. It is rich in protein and contains carbohydrates and fats. Milk forms an important part of the diet of growing children and the elderly adults to have milk as a dietary supplement. Dried milk enriched with vitamins and minerals is used as an infant feed, and milk is mixed with tea and coffee. Milk products such as yogurt, cheese and paneer are very nutritious. Milk is also used to make sweets, chocolates, desserts, ice cream and so on. Now the next product is eggs. Poultry is terms used for birds raised for the production of eggs and meat. Chicken is the most popular poultry bird, though ducks, geese, turkeys and quails are also raised for egg and meat. Eggs have a high content of a protein called albumin, which is the main constituent of the white portion. The white of an egg also contains vitamin B. The yolk of an egg, however, it is not considered very good for health as it is made up of mostly of fat. It does, however, contain vitamins A and B, calcium, phosphorus and iron. Now, the next product is meat. We may have heard the term red meat and white meat. The meat of goats, sheep, pigs and cows have a lot of fat and is called red meat, while fish and chicken have a low fat content and are called white meat. White meat is more easily digestible and healthier than red meat. It is very good source of high quality proteins. Meat also contain vitamin A, B and D, iron, zinc and phosphorus. Seafood is a good source of all these nutrients and iron. Okay children, now we will discuss the question regarding this video. Children, last question of this chapter is question number 7 from A part. Why are animal proteins considered to be better than plant protein? The answer of this question is on page number 12. In fourth line, animal proteins are more completely digestible and they contain some essential amino acids. Protein are made from amino acids that plant proteins lack. Now, bookwork. Complete the following. The practice of growing fruits, vegetables, flowers and ornamental plants is horticulture. Second, the process of using the vapors of a chemical to disinfect a place and get rid of pests is called fumigation. A buffer stock of grains is maintained to provide food during emergencies. A mutually beneficial association between two organisms is called symbiosis. Seeds have to be sown at the right depth and with adequate space in between. Next is biological control is the method of controlling weeds or pests by using their natural enemies. Next, a fallow field is one that is left uncultivated for one or more seasons. Now, multiple choice question. The answer of first question is winnowing. Second, a combine can harvest, thresh and winnow. Next is which of the following is not a rabi crop? The answer is rice. Fourth, the process of converting atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogenous compounds is called nitrogen fixation. Next, the method of irrigation in which amateurs let out a trickle of water near the roots is called drip irrigation. Next, in a cold storage, the temperature is maintained between 0 degrees Celsius and 4 degrees Celsius. Next, which of the following needs to be transplanted? Answer is rice. Children, in this multiple choice question, the option more than one option might be correct. First is nodules with nitrogen fixing bacteria are found in the roots of pea and kidney bean. Second, which of the following are rabi crops? Answer is mustard, wheat and gram. Third, which of the following crops require very little water? Answer is jawar, bajra. Question number 4, which of these are done after the crops are gathered? Answer is winnowing, threshing. And the last is plants used as green manure include? The answer is gram and cowpea. Okay children, do all the question in your notebook very neatly and fill the book work in your book only. Goodbye everyone.